Okay, I keep being cut off with this tag. It does not want to let me finish this video, but I will just continue. And yeah, we were just kind of looking at it, and my bulb just went here. Sorry about that. So this is the tag that we created for this envelope, or this little window pocket. So we're gonna put it on here. Why does this light not stay on? Oh my goodness. Having lighting issues and camera issues and who knows what all. Okay. So we have this in here, and the little tab is going to be sticking out. Oh my goodness, the stupid light. Okay, it's stubborn. So we have that there. And we have a messy desk, and I'm getting frustrated here with all my technical stuff. And now I'm going to start coughing. So, yeah, there's that. I am going to put this little tag, and I think you guys have one in your kit too, some kind of tag with this bow on it. So I'm just going to put that on here, and that finishes this off. And I was going to put it on here, but I've decided to put it on a different spot to cover up a bigger area. Yeah, like right here. And I'm going to make it so I can put something else in there that way. So I'm just going to do it 3 sides. That way it's a double pocket like this. And then we can slide another pocket in there. So I'm just gonna let this dry. I'm gonna see again if I can get this light to go, and maybe it'll work for a few minutes. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna put this to the side here, and we're gonna use let me see if this is too big for that. Yes, it is a bit too big. So we're just gonna cut the sides off and just have the little shopping list. Just the sides will cut off. And we'll just glue it onto some cardstock if we have it. Let's see. What do we have left here? Okay, so there's quite a few of these sheets, I think, that I gave you. So we can just turn one over, or fold one in half. And let's take it over here and see how big this thing is. So we may have to cut it off a little bit, the edges. A little bit more. A little bit more. I would say even a little bit more. Okay, like that. Yeah, I think that's good. So I'll just put that here. And then we can glue this on. So first of all, I'm gonna turn this over. I wanted this side. And then we're gonna glue this shut. You could even turn this into an envelope if you wanted. So you could really make 3 little pockets in one there. So there we go. Put this one on here. And see how you can create something else, you know, something totally different out of, you know, a shopping list. And that is what a junk journal is, when you take something, you know, and turn it into completely something else. Paper anyway, or yeah, junk mail or whatever. So there is that. Now I am going to have to cut this off. I didn't want to, but I am going to have to cut that off. It's still nice. It still looks nice, I think. And then we're going to put a little tab on here. We'll do a little red one. Like so. Yeah, this one pocket, I think I'm going to have 3 videos on it. Oh my goodness. I keep running out of space because I'm doing all the videos before, like the whole book before I upload it. So yeah, that's a lot. And this is very full of glue, so I'm going to grab a little wipe here and wipe up all this glue. I didn't need that much glue. Yeah, so here we just glued, like this was a paper pad and so was that. And we just glued them on top of each other. And we still have writing space here and writing space here. So that is cool. Now we're just going to stick it in our pocket here. If everything is dry. I hope these are nice and dry in here. So yeah, that'll go in there all the way. I'm just going to have it hanging out a bit just so it can dry without sticking. And that moves good, so that's good. Okay, so that is our pocket. This was another short video here. So it'll be 3 working on this pocket here, but that's okay. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you are still interested in purchasing the kit for the journal, there are some available, like I said. I will put my email in the description box, and I'll put my Etsy shop in there too. And if you would like one, just let me know, and we'll try to get you one. So thanks for joining me, and God bless. We'll see you soon. Bye.